Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Recaptcha tool is not working in Google Chrome. So sometimes you'll actually have to click on stuff as you guys are familiar with to access certain websites or links. You have to click on identify each square that has a traffic light or something along those lines, and you might not be able to actually render it properly. So hopefully this tutorial will be able to address it, and without too much of a hassle, we're going to jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the Google Chrome web browser, and then you want to navigate over to the menu icon near top right corner of the Google Chrome web browser. Should be a three-dotted vertical icon at the time of this recording. Left click on that, and then go down and left click on Help, and then left click on About Google Chrome. This should launch the auto updating feature within Google Chrome, so it's going to begin checking for updates here. And you see it was able to locate something, so currently it is just updating our Google Chrome here. Just be patient. So you might have to relaunch the browser, so it's just doing that as directed. And then go ahead, check for updates again, see if it finds anything new. Sometimes it'll actually do a double update here. Hopefully it'll say that it's all up to date, as it does in my case here. Go ahead and try and access the website or link you're having problems with before, and hopefully the problem's been resolved. However, if you're still having a problem with it, if we close out of here, you can go ahead and try and open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with a command prompt. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now into the elevated command line window, you want to go type in ipconfig, exactly it appears on my screen, space /flush DNS, again ipconfig, space /flush DNS. Flush DNS is all one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should say successfully flushed DNS resolver cache. Once you're done with that command, you want to go type in netsh space winsock space reset. So again, netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should say successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, I'd suggest closing out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that will have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.